Greetings. Thanks again for joining us in the Herbalife Nutrition Education Program with me, Dr. Luigi Groton, Vice President of Nutrition Education. In the last lesson, we saw what a complex and vital organ the brain is, and that it's basically your body's control panel. It makes sense then that good nutrition is key in maintaining brain health and your overall health. Good nutrition supports the brain's functions of regulating mental energy and attention, memory, thinking, and mood. Brain cells in particular need carbs for energy, fat to protect axons, and amino acids to make neurotransmitters. For energy, the brain needs carbs in the form of glucose to prevent afternoon crashes and fatigue. This can be achieved with balanced meals and well-timed snacks to maintain blood sugar levels. Now, because the brain is 70% fat, it needs healthy fats, like fish and fish oils, to support brain function. And to produce the chemicals that nerve cells use for communication, known as neurotransmitters, certain amino acids are needed. For overall brain health, protein, vitamins, and minerals are needed, as well as good blood flow and a healthy heart. Let's dig a little deeper now. Welcome back to the Herbalife Nutrition Education Program. During this lesson, we'll learn how good nutrition may affect the brain. Let's get started. The brain is the center of all of your thoughts and emotions. The brain uses nerve signals that are sent out all through the body to direct the movements of your arms and legs and the function of all your organs and your heart and circulatory system. Brain cells have two ends, one for receiving and one for sending signals. Dendrites are the receivers, and they receive signals through special proteins on their surface. Brain cells send out signals through fibers called axons. Depending on how they are organized, nerve cells send signals from the brain to the body or from the body to the brain. The tiny electrical signals from billions of nerve cells create all of the amazing functions of the brain. Balanced nutrition is vital for healthy brain function. Brain cells need carbohydrates as glucose for energy. Brain cells need healthy fat to make the coverings of the axons. Brain cells need certain amino acids from proteins to make signal-carrying chemicals called neurotransmitters. The brain is one of the most important organs in your body. It needs to be supported with healthy blood flow from your heart, healthy nutrition, and a healthy active life. In addition, you should use your brain to keep it fit. Just like your muscles, use it or lose it. Learning a new language, doing crossword puzzles, or playing other memory games may keep this area of your brain active. Your diet affects the brain chemicals that influence your mood and behavior, the thought processes and emotional reactions that ultimately create the story of your life. What you eat is within your power to control, or, more accurately, your willpower to control. The more you know about the food-brain connection, the more empowered you are to make dietary decisions that benefit your brain. Your diet affects each of the nerve cells in your brain by providing the nutrition that the cells use to make the signals that carry information throughout the brain. Amino acids, the building blocks of protein, are also used to make neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are small chemicals that act to stimulate nerve cells signals in the brain. Amino acids are found in protein-rich foods, such as meat, beans, tofu, nuts, protein shakes, and bars. Every time you eat nutritious food, you feed your brain, you build neurotransmitters, and healthy brain cells. Did you know that a protein shake may stimulate your brain after just one serving? Many of us do not consume enough protein-rich foods, and when we do consume protein, it is usually later in the day. A shake during the mid-afternoon may help you keep your mental energy levels up. Adequate proteins are needed to nourish the brain. Having a protein shake in the morning can help you start your day and power your brain's function. Your brain uses about 20% of the calories you burn while you rest, just to keep functioning. Nourish your brain well with the right foods and it will function at its best. Remember, good nutrition makes for healthy cells. Healthy cells in your brain respond to the neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that create the communications in your brain. These build pathways. These pathways are the imprints of learning. In other words, a healthy, balanced diet will power your brain performance. The brain uses amino acids, such as tryptophan and tyrosine, to make the neurotransmitters, such as serotonin and noradrenaline, that nerve cells use to communicate with each other. Many vitamins and minerals, including iron, calcium, folic acid, magnesium, vitamin B6, zinc, vitamin C, and copper, are needed for the production of neurotransmitters. A great way to be sure you get all of these vitamins and minerals is to take a multivitamin, multimineral supplement every day. The brain is 70% fat, and, like other parts of the body, it reflects the types of fat, both good and bad, that are in the diet. Fish and fish oils have a reputation as brain food. Changing the diet to include more fish oils will change the types of fat found in the brain tissue. Balancing omega-3 and omega-6 fats in the brain may support brain function by affecting the fats in the brain. Did you know that the brain grows rapidly just before birth until about age 2? Proper nutrition during these periods of life is very important to development. One of the fish oils, called DHA, is very important for proper development of the brain and vision. The brain needs a steady supply of carbohydrates and proteins to function. Maintaining a healthy brain includes eating complex carbohydrates and protein to provide a steady supply of energy, which lowers the incidence of brain fatigue. Eating small meals throughout the day will ensure that your brain gets the nutrition it needs to keep functioning and to avoid afternoon crashes. An afternoon crash can make you tired and irritable. It is a good idea to limit simple sugars found in white bread and cookies. Replace them with fruits, which provide natural sugars and fiber. For instance, breakfast can be a protein shake with fruit. For lunch or dinner, enjoy a salad and some protein to keep up the energy level for work-related tasks. Also, a protein snack bar may be enjoyed in the late afternoon or early evening. Low energy in the late afternoon is called a crash. When blood sugar drops, the brain has a reduced ability to function. It is important to keep your blood sugar levels elevated to nourish your brain. An easy way to avoid an afternoon crash is to take a protein snack to prevent these episodes of poor brain nutrition and fatigue. Want more advice to keep up your brain's energy? Eat frequently in small portions. Your body has to work in overdrive to digest a huge meal, so smaller meals eaten more often is a better choice. Here is a good way to have frequent small meals and prevent the brain's fatigue in the afternoon. This eating routine can benefit your brain by avoiding decreases in blood sugar levels. Research shows that blueberries may improve memory in animals. Many kinds of berries contain antioxidants, which can travel to the brain and help support normal brain function. For example, use berries when preparing your protein shake. It's a great meal for healthier brain nutrition and adds only 50 calories per cup of berries. When you don't drink enough water, you can become fatigued. Many people are not aware their body needs water throughout the day to keep their brain functioning at its best. Losing water from your body causes fatigue because the blood flow to the brain becomes less effective. Fish has a traditional reputation as brain food. We know that fish oils in your diet can affect the levels of fish oils in your brain. A great way to get the fish oils you need is to eat fish 3 times per week and take a fish oil and krill oil supplement every day. Keeping your heart and circulatory system healthy are important steps in supporting brain function. Many times, poor blood flow can lead to poor brain function with aging. One way to maintain healthy blood flow to the brain and other organs is to take an arginine supplement every day. It is also important to achieve and maintain a healthy body weight and eat a balanced diet to maintain a healthy heart. As we have seen, there are many aspects to nutrition for a healthy brain. You may include healthy protein, healthy fats, healthy carbohydrates, dietary supplements, including multivitamins, fish oils, krill oil, and an arginine supplement. These foods and supplements will help you to maintain a healthy heart and healthy circulation to support a healthy brain. Good work! You've completed another lesson in the Herbalife Nutrition Education program. Next time, we'll review what we've learned. See you at the next meeting.